If you've got a bare patch in your St. Augustine lawn, here's how to repair it. First, pull any weeds growing in that bare or dead spot. Weeds compete with your grass for sunlight, water, and nutrients, so getting rid of them gives your St. Augustine the best chance to spread back in. Be sure to grab them at the base and pull out the root, otherwise they'll break off and just be back in a couple of days. Now grab a garden rake and scrape away all of the dead, straw-colored grass until you're left with clean, bare soil. They make special tools for this, some hand tools and some power tools, but St. Augustine spreads using above-ground runners called stolons, and aggressive machines can damage the healthy grass that's trying to grow into the patch. So for a patch this size, I definitely just recommend using your rake. Now spread a thin layer of quality topsoil or compost over the patch, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick. You can even use a 50-50 mix of sand and compost. Spread it evenly and then level it with the back of your rake, but don't bury the healthy grass under the edges. Those runners need easy access to the new soil so they can root and spread. Once it's leveled, water the area thoroughly. This helps settle the soil and keeps it consistently moist, creating the perfect environment for those runners to grow across the bare spot. Now it's time to fertilize, but here's the important part. Instead of dumping fertilizer on the bare dirt, spread a balanced, slow-release fertilizer over the healthy grass surrounding the patch. Since the bare area doesn't have an established root system yet, feeding the surrounding lawn encourages the healthy St. Augustine to grow horizontally into the empty space. After applying the fertilizer, water it in with about 1/4 to 1/2 inch of water. Follow these steps, keep the area watered, and a patch this size should blend into your lawn in about 2 to 3 weeks. Hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns. Have a great day.